Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Greg in West Virginia on this beautiful Galaxy Saturn. Greg, I got it ready to go for you, bud. I know you said this was your first radio, and so I just wanted to make sure that it was buttoned up tight, good to go. Replaced the 10-volt receive caps in it. We wide-banded the transmit. We wide-banded the receive. We fixed the motor boating hum that was in the speaker. We fixed the broken circuit board that we think probably happened during shipping. Did our tuning alignment as well. Let's see. I don't know. I did quite a bit too. Oh yeah, LED lights and the new meters with the updated 60 dB receive meter here. And this thing's ready to go. So we're gonna get right to it. I'm going to show you with the RF power turned all the way down. 5-watt slug. Got to set a 1/2 watt. 5 all the way up. Go here to 50-watt slug and average power. Hello. About 22 bird average. This thing is rocking. I'm going to show you PEP. Hello. A little over 45 watts PEP. Alright, Greg, it's ready to come back to you. I really appreciate your patience and allowing me to set this radio up for you. Oh, and we also set your echo inside to where it wasn't repeating a million times. And I think that's about it. Greg, enjoy it, my friend. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.